procedures, but I think if you bring some elements of it in, you will actually keep it. I think it's about sustainability, not about New Year's resolutions for like a whole year.
I like the New Year resolution. I always think people set their targets too high.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think in a way you've always set yourself up for failure by doing it. So, I mean, if your brain is already in there, there's one thing at a time. You figure out what I want to achieve, you work backwards, and then you see what you have to do day by day, and you make a timetable for it. So like this activity sheet, I'll put it up on the Google Facebook page.
Okay.
It is a worksheet, so you work out and you will see where you put all your time and effort, and what you want to do with less of, and this can be practical. It could just be, I want 10 minutes on my own day. I mean, many mothers out there and fathers will get that, but it could be 3 minutes, like that. Just really looking at it like, how am I going to actually take the quality of my life? When I sit back here this time next year, I'll actually say, I did that, and I did it for me, and I feel better within myself. Okay, like that. Yes, and I think it was intrinsic motivation that was when I
Sky.
When Clinique focuses on wrinkles, it's a laser focus. Skin appears smoother. A younger looking you. Repair Wear Laser Focus for face. And now, next new Repair Wear Laser Focus Eye Cream for younger looking eyes. From Clinique, allergy tested 100% fragrance free. Only at Brown Top.